Hi, this is Mrs. Patterson's homework help. We are on Chapter 4, Lesson 10 for Math. Okay, we are working on multiplication still, but now we're going to focus on whether or not we need to have an estimate or an exact answer. That's up here in our objectives for the lesson. That's pages 259 and 260. Okay, so let's look at the sample that takes up the whole first page. Tyrone wants to hand out flyers about a sale to each business in his neighborhood. He plans to leave 3 flyers at each shop, and there are 38 shops. About how many flyers will Tyrone need? Is it an estimate or an exact answer? Well, this about tells us that it's an estimate. We don't need to have the exact amount. It's about, okay? So Tyrone plans to leave 3 flyers at each shop, so there are 38 shops. What do you need to find? I need to find out about how many flyers Tyrone needs. Plan. The question asks how many flyers are needed. The word about means an exact answer is not necessary. The question is asking for an estimate. I will round 38 and then multiply. So 38 rounds to 40, because if you look at 38, the 8 is powerful enough to bop that up to a 4, and so we have 40 times 3. Magic of multiplication, take out the 0, put it back in. So we have he needs about 120 flyers. You can check by comparing the exact answer to the estimate, and if you take the exact answer, we get 114. So we know, that was scary, 114, so we know we are very close. So he's going to have more than enough. He'll have 6 extra flyers, okay? Now on the back of the page, it has 6 different problems, and you are determined whether each problem requires an estimate or exact answer, and then solve it. So it's not enough that you're just looking at an estimate or exact. You have to know, and you have to solve the problem from there. So Jeff is having a dinner party. He has a large rectangular table that seats 10 people on each long side and 4 people on 2 sides. How many people can sit at Jeff's table? It doesn't say about how many. It says how many. So we know we're going to be looking for an exact answer, and then you'll solve it from there. Okay? Go ahead and go through all 6 problems on the back. Take your time. If you need to show your work, put it in this column here. Our bonus question today is simply rounding 39 and multiplying it by 5.